Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use your Starbucks rewards card. Now this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now in order to use our card we must first actually get one, so if you've already got your card you can skip forward in the video, but if you don't yet have your Starbucks rewards card you can simply come to this section of the website, click find your nearest store, and then from there we can actually visit our nearest Starbucks store and actually get ourselves a card. From there you will need to register your card, so you can do this online or on the app. And if you are doing it from this page you can simply click register your card down here, and then you'll have to sign into your account, and from there you can actually register your card. From there, whenever you make a purchase at Starbucks you can simply scan your rewards card and actually earn points. And for every £1 spent in Starbucks you will earn 3 stars. From there, your stars will actually accumulate, and you can then visit the app, add your rewards card onto the app, and then from there, you'll be able to spend your Starbucks stars on select items on the menu. So that's exactly how you can use your Starbucks rewards card. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.